you guys around. And yeah, man, it's just beautiful here. Look at around the scenery. So yeah, man, hope you enjoy this video. Car park right now. So yeah, man, about to get on the bus because you have to take buses there. I can't wait for this. I think it's a bit busy today because it's a Sunday, so we can. Hi, Luna.
Hi.
So let Bunny say hi. There they are, boy. The Volcano buses. The Volcano Bay buses. I think we get wristbands. But yeah. Here we are, let's go on the bus.
Listen, so we just touched down in Volcano Bay. It's about to go down.
Come on. About to go down. Tiki. The place looks sick. I have heard this is the best water park in Florida. I've heard also it's one of the best parks in America, so let's test that out. I don't really have a waterproof cover, so I'm gonna try and get one, but if I don't worry guys, I'll figure out something. And guys, we are here, Volcano Bay, man. It's a perfect day to go as well. It looks beautiful. Volcano Bay, the hotel right next to it, but yeah, so far this place looks lovely. Lovely around the end, honestly. You know, it looks amazing. Yeah. 10 to 5. So yeah, let's go. So guys, these are the things that you queue up with. I have a little wrist. But yeah, man, the gym work's coming in if you know. But yeah, Volcano Bay. Can't wait. Look at that. Looks really nice, man. But yeah, let's go over. We are here, man. Volcano Bay. Doesn't look too busy today. But yeah, guys, I heard that the thing to hold your phone case in is $40. So of course I'm not paying for that. But you know what, guys, I'm gonna show you around. We're gonna do a whole tour of the place, but we're not gonna show on the rides as well. It's copyright as well because don't wanna get banned by Universal. So yeah. Look at that, guys. Wow. If you see all the way up there, there's a slide that drops you through the roof. I'm looking to go on that today. If I'm tall enough. Wait, not if I'm heavy enough, I don't know. So yeah, man. North Beach Pavilion. Yeah, I've heard this place is split up into 3 zones and areas. Apparently we're in the North Pavilion. right there. And that's the volcano there, man. It's beautiful here, to be honest. It's very, very nice. On the side now, finding somewhere to sit, to admire this place. Absolutely massive. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Guys, we're gonna go on some water slides right now. I'm gonna be back with you soon. I'm gonna show you everything, tell you everything, maybe give you a tour. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go adventure and go on water slides. So yeah, peace. Guys, it's been 2 hours. Hi, Luna. We're going to get some churros and we're gonna walk around the whole place. So yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna give you a whole tour around, guys. So yeah. I'm just drinking this Berry Blast slushy.
My mum and dad's got these 2 cups and we get to keep them and they're so cool.
Don't worry, guys. We are coming back on... When do we come back?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday and next Sunday, I don't know.
Tuesday and next Sunday.
Or next Sunday we could go pop in Sunny and them.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah, man, we're here. We are in. We are in Blizzard. We are not in Blizzard Beach. We are on Volcano Bay. It's brilliant here, man. It's so peaceful. We went on so many rides because I couldn't really show you because of my camera. But yeah, we went on that. If you can see, there's a drop. You can't really see. There's a drop ride in the volcano. And yeah. No, not them ones. It's a red one, big red one. And it just drops you.
Yeah, when we went on the ride, it felt like it was going to chop my back off.
Yeah, I know. Not this one. Luna didn't gonna go on it. You have to be a certain weight. So guys, in here it is. You wanna get some churros? Alright, Luna's just gonna go to get some churros, okay? We'll be just a minute. that was kind of a bit of the view. But yeah, we're just gonna probably leave in the next 30 minutes. I've had an amazing time here. Volcano Bay, one of the best water parks I've been to. But if you know, and you are OG Maxi Johnny fan, you know that the Atlantic Water Park was the best.